Today we're checking out a print-in-place blaster that is semi-automatic and magazine fed, with the magazine sizes actually going all the way up to 30 rounds if you want to. But I've printed off the 6-round magazine, so it looks like this. It's pretty simple and ingenious. So these are the little darts that you can fire from it. They're designed so that you can just press them into this magazine, and the great thing is once you do that, they're solidly in there. You can shake the magazine, they won't come out. So you can carry loads of these magazines if you want. So that's how you put them in originally, and then you press them down, and these will now be locked in place. You would think this would slow them down when they come flying out of the blaster, but actually they're surprisingly good at maintaining their velocity once they come out. So this has a little notch on one side. This slides onto your blaster, and what happens when you pull this back, the piece will then lower down into the correct position to fire. And then once you fire one, and again and again and again, it just sets them all off, and it's really impressive. And good velocity on this, and it's got magazine sizes all the way up to 30 if you want to have a larger capacity. But you can see it's amazing. Like I'm astonished. It's a tiny thing, but it's able to blast these out at good velocity. And like I say, you can have multiple magazines because these darts will not fall out. So they're awesome for carrying around. Now here's a couple of tests of just firing these off quickly. And it's amazing how well this works. It really is semi-automatic and it's really good. And I love it. I really do. So here it is going almost full speed, and yeah, brilliant. So that is a wonderful 3D print. The gun itself, of course, print in place, and then you have the magazine. There's different sizes you can print off, and of course you've got your darts there as well. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for this one. Really impressed with it, and it's a lot of fun to use.